Hey there, this is the Superfood face wash. I'm going to give you a demo of it. So all you need to start with is damp skin, which I have, some clean damp skin. And we are going to put this on. There's the gel as it comes out. You're just going to gently put it on. I like to use circular motions, but you can kind of put it on however you see fit. And then we are going to wash it off. So you just put it on, and Superfood is really cool because it actually contains like broccoli and kale, and what's the other one? Broccoli, kale, and avocado. It smells really good too. So it's genuine superfoods going right onto your skin. A nice gel cleanser. It does not sting or burn. It's actually very, very soothing. And I'm just using a little bit on my fingertips. Okay, so it doesn't bubble or anything. It's just a nice gel cleanser on my face. Let that sit for 1 second. I really love that scent to it. And then you are going to wash it off. Now, since I'm doing a live demo, it's hard to do it over a sink. So I have a wet washcloth over here. You're not gonna get it in contact with your eyes, and you're just going to wash that off. So we're gonna see the afterglow that will appear from this beautiful cleanser. So you can already see, yeah, my skin looks so much better already. What a great cleanser. And now my skin is prepped, ready to put on some moisturizer and all the other good things and makeup and start my day.